in getting an opportunity to declare the official resolutions accepted by this conclave. The conclave has been a highly rewarding and inspiring experience. We have decided to conduct the conclave every year. We look forward to more enthusiastic and insightful intervention from the global academia. We have also resolved to conduct post-conclave sessions on each of the themes discussed here to convert them into action plans and implementation schemes. The intellectual capacity and contributions of the Kerala academic diaspora will be tapped, and a comprehensive network of academic diaspora will be established soon. Their significant support in knowledge transfer, research, capacity building, and academic collaboration will be instrumental in shaping the state's policy initiatives in higher education. We will formulate and establish a permanent platform for industry-academia engagement, facilitating collaborations, industry participation in curriculum development and transaction, industry mentoring, internships, and industry experience that can be credited as part of the academic programs. We will strengthen the centers for skill development courses and career planning already established in higher education institutions and expand the activities of the centers to meet the demands of the industries and services for specific skills in students. We will equip the higher education institutions to develop critical competencies in our students. We will devise ways to promote lifelong learning and self-learning and establish instruments to enable increased opportunity for potential learners. We will focus on twinning programs with international higher education institutions, facilitating student and faculty transfer and credit transfer. We will expect and tap the help of the Malayali diaspora in realizing it. We will organize an alumni conclave to increase alumni participation in the state's higher education through direct engagement and knowledge transfer. Pre-conclave sessions will strive to bring notable alumni to improve perception and aid the networking opportunities higher education institutions must engage in. Their expertise in respective fields will be tapped to enhance curricular development and transaction. There will be a series of faculty training programs to reorient and equip the faculty to face the challenges of the reforms. I conclude.